Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of Roblox, specifically focusing on how to change your profile picture on the Roblox Web platform using a PC. With a recent update, making these changes has become simple and straightforward. So let's get started. First, the very first thing you'll need to do is open Roblox on your PC. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're in, look towards the top left corner of the Roblox interface. Here, you'll spot 3 horizontal lines. Clicking on these lines will open up a menu that will guide you to different features and options within Roblox. Next, from the menu that appears, click on Avatar. This section allows you to personalize your character, but today, we're focusing on updating your profile picture. Now comes the fun part. In the Avatar section, you can make your changes. Whether you want to upload a new photo, select from existing images, or make adjustments to your avatar's appearance, this is where all the magic happens. Take your time, and when you're satisfied with your new look, simply save your changes. That's it. You've successfully changed your profile picture on Roblox Web using your PC. Your friends will surely notice your fresh new avatar next time they log on. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks.